Hello, wherever you are, it's time to join our live class. The Igbo tutor is live right now. So you are welcome to our live class. Wherever you are, it's time to join this live class so we can begin in earnest. The Igbo tutor is live. So where are you? I expect you to join right now and let's have this class. You're a member of this channel. This is time to join. In case you are seeing me right now, or you have gotten this notification, and you are not yet a member of the channel, you do well to join our channel membership, because this live class is basically meant for channel members. It's a time we sharpen our skill in speaking Igbo language. We measure our level of progress as we listen to spoken Igbo, try to understand it and respond to it accordingly. So we call it a practical section. So you may have been watching videos of live Igbo, videos on Igbo teaching and here and there, but here we practice listening skill, comprehension, speaking, translation. This is where we test what we have learned so far and measure our level of progress, and then also gauge where we need to improve or one thing or the other. So this is a practical session. So wherever you are and you are supposed to be in this class, you do well to join me right now. This is the Igbo tutor live. So where are the channel members? If you are trying to join with the other link that may not work, just locate a live through the live button in the YouTube. You will find me there. You may have gotten notification as a channel member. Do well to join me right now. I'm waiting for you in class. Where are you? Come on now, let's do this together. The Igbo tutor is live. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Channel members, begin to come in now. Begin to come in now. I'm waiting for you. Let's begin. Yes, the Igbo tutor is live. Waiting for you to come on. Come on, let's do it together. Yes, waiting for you. This is meant for channel members. So if you happen to, be watching this from a replay when it must have been uploaded to our homepage, you do well to remember that live class is only for channel members. So if you want to participate live and contribute live when the lecture or teaching is going on, you have to join our channel membership. And how do you do that? Just click on the join button, the black join button beside my channel name, follow the procedure, and get registered as a member of the channel. That way, you can participate live anytime we come around. So, for those who are already members, I congratulate you. There are a lot of things to gain. Live class every Saturday, free ebook every month, direct contact with the Igbo tutor for help or assistance as the case may be. So you have a whole lot to gain from being a channel member. So why not join us today? And you'll be glad you did. Where are the members of the channel? Where are the students? If you are watching a replay, you need to be a little bit patient so that we can get those who paid for this class to come here before we can begin. So you have to be a little bit patient with us. Let's wait for channel members to come to class before we will start the class fully in earnest. Okay? I'm waiting for you. Channel members, where are you? Come to class now. Let's go on with this class. Yes. Channel members, waiting for you to come to class. Yes, come to class now. Let's begin. Let us begin this class now. I'm waiting for you. Yes, who is the first to come to class today? The Igbo tutor is live, waiting for you here. Where are you? Join the class now. Yes, I'm waiting for you. The time is ticking away. Let's come to class and begin redeeming the time. Right, we have just 1 hour to do this, and the time is ticking away. So you do well to join right away, don't waste further time. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Waiting for you to join up. Join up, join up, join up. We are our channel members. Who is coming to class first today? Waiting for you. Let's do this together. Where are you? Yes, where are you? We're waiting. We are waiting. Channel members, where are you? We're waiting. The time is ticking away. The original link to this live class did not work perfectly well, so I had to restart it. So look out for the notification on live class and come join this class now. Still waiting. Waiting for you to come on board. Yes, yes, yes. Where are you? Where are you now? I am waiting. Who comes to class first today? The time is ticking away. If you are seeing me now and you want to participate in this live class, it's very simple. Just look at my channel homepage, look at the channel name. Beside it, you see a black button with the inscription join. You hit that button. It will guide you to where the page for subscription. You will subscribe to channel membership. That will give you access to this class immediately. So do that now and join us. Let's learn together. This is practical Igbo lesson, Igbo class, where we speak and learn right with the teacher on the go, live. You have a chance to ask questions directly, get answers immediately, learn new things from the teacher, from your co-student, and everybody around. Is a place to be. It's a community of learners. So why not take advantage of this by joining our channel membership so you can have this free class every Saturday, plus other benefits like free ebook every month. The ebook comes with text, picture, and downloadable audios, which you can download and listen to it over and over. So it gives you a double advantage. So why not join us here? If you're already in the class, do well to drop a greeting so that we can recognize your presence. That is the only way you can mark your attendance. Drop a greeting. Say ndewo, no, dalo in the chat. Once we're able to pick one person or two that is here, we begin the class. Okay? So drop your greetings. All right. Ezenwa. Okay. Princess Ezenwa ndewo. No. All right. I say no, princess. Oh, no, princess. I believe you are the one. Yes. Yes, you are. Keki imere. Princess Keki imere. Oh. I hope I'm loud and clear. Please confirm I'm audible enough before we begin. Confirm I'm audible. You can hear me loud and clear. Confirm that as we start, because we can't wait further. Just confirm I'm audible so that we can start the class. Ademoma, yes, clear, excellent. That's great. So we go on now. We can't wait further. Others will be joining. We have our time, so we can't wait for anybody. So we are going to do general sentences using, onye and ebe. Let's go on with that. So we'll begin with the first one. Okay? Onye no ebe a. Onye no ebe a. What did I say? Onye no ebe a. Onye no ebe a. What did I say? Onye no ebe a. What did I say? Good. Good. Let me write it for the sake of those who are writing. Onye no ebe a is actually a question. Okay. Now you answer me. You answer that question by yourself. Answer me. Say, I am the one. I am the one here, or I am the one. How do you answer that? Yes, go ahead and answer the question. Yes, I am the one, or I'm the one here. Answer the question right now. Let's go on. Onye no ebe a. And you are answering the question now. Go ahead and give me your answer. Yes. Okay. Wow, that's excellent answer. Anom eba. Great. I love that. I am here. Excellent answer. Excellent answer. I am the one here, or I am here. Excellent answer. Okay. Okay. Second sentence. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? That's the second sentence. It's also a question. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Let's go. What did I say? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Yes, let's go. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? A question too. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Right, what I've just said in English. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? What did I ask? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Yes, let's go. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? What did I say? Yes. Translate that to English and drop what I've just said. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Let's go. Write it the way I just said it. Drop it there. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? What did I say? Translate to English. Write it there, here, now. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Okay. You can't catch the translation. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Remember, it's a question. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ? At least you got ebe ahụ, which is there. It's a good effort. But let me write the Igbo version. Maybe that will help you. Remember, my I should have dot under it. Okay. Remember that my keyboard is refusing to do that when I'm on live class. I don't know why. It's disappointing me. Okay. This is the question I asked. Maybe that will help you to understand it better. So can you try it? Can you redo your sentence in English with the help of the full sentence I've written in Igbo now, whether you get it better? Try again, princess. Ị ga-abịa ebe ahụ. Excellent. You got it. You got it. You got it. Okay, that is excellent. Will you come there? That is excellent. Wow, I trust you. All right, let's go. Okay. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. What did I say? Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. Clement, Mazi Clement, no. Emeghe, ndewo. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. Class is already on, so listen and follow. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. That is the next sentence we are translating now. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. What did I say? Write it in English. Shoot now. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. What did I say? Let's go. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ọzọ. I have a conflict today. Oh, sorry. So I will not be able to participate very well. I'm sorry about that. God will take care of that conflict. Settle it. Give you peace around you, peace at work, and everywhere as well. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. That is the sentence. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. Remember, part of the test here is to see if you can comprehend the Igbo, conversation, the oral Igbo. So if you ability to get what I say directly and translate is a plus. Okay? Not only when I write it. So achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. Okay? That is just the simple sentence I've made. Achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. All right? Princess, good trier. Good trier. Emeghe, what do you say? Can you type at all? Or you can't because of the challenge you're having? Achọrọ m ịga ebe ahụ. Yes. Let's do that. Okay, Emeghe has done something very significant, and that is great. And that is wonderful too. That is great and wonderful too. Okay. Sorry, I'm adjusting my camera. Okay. So that is great work, Emeghe. Good effort. Good effort. And I must say that you actually got it right. I want to go there. That is, okay, Princess also wrote that again. Emeghe wrote, I want you to go there. Not really. Princess wrote, I want to go here again. Not really, but the second attempt is better, where you wrote, I want to go there. That is a perfect answer. Okay? That is a perfect answer. So let me reduce it to Igbo. Okay? Because of those who are writing. Choromiga. My Iga, the I should have dot under. It's not giving me dot under here. Okay. Okay. Achoromiga eba. Okay, that is the perfect sentence. And you got it. Princess got it. Which is, okay, let me write also, because of those who are following me to copy. I want to go there. That is perfect translation. I want to go there. All right. We are moving forward. We are moving forward. We are moving forward. Next sentence is ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. That's the next sentence. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Let's go. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. What did I say? Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. If you are in the class, you need to drop your greetings so that we know you are here and welcome you officially. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. What does that mean? Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Yes, give it a try out. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. What is that? Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Let's go. Let's go do it. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Let's go do it now. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Okay, Mehe has tried. I'm waiting for Princess and whoever is in the class. Give it a trial. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Princess, let's go there again. That's good trial. Let's go there again. Both of you have the same opinion about it. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Okay, both of you have tried, but your answers were not correct. Let me write what I've said in Igbo. Maybe it will help. Okay, I should have dot under for Annie. Okay, Princess is writing another one. Let's go there. Not very correct. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. This is what I say. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ. Okay? Let me see if anybody can use what I've written to correct his own, both of you, because we wrote the same thing practically. So, who can make a correction based on what I've written now in Igbo? Can any of you make correction? Try to make a correction based on what I've written just now. Can you make a correction based on what I've written now? Yes, let's go. Try and make a correction based on what I've written. Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ? Anybody coming up with a correction? Or no idea? Any correction or no idea? Or I should go ahead and supply the answer. Okay, let me say Amayim. What about Princess? Is it the same answer? Is it Amayim also? So I go ahead and give the answer. Princess, what do you say? Any different opinion? Any different opinion, Princess? Ka anyị gaa ebe ọzọ? Okay, let me give the answer now. Okay, Princess has come. Supply the answer. Okay, so I should supply the answer. Okay, that means it doesn't know. Let us. You people started very well. When you all wrote, let us go. Ka anyị gaa, that's a good effort. The only thing you don't know is ebe ọzọ. Let us go to another place. Let's go to another place. So ebe ọzọ is another place. We have done ebe, which is here. We have done ebe ahụ, which is there. This one is ebe ọzọ, which is another place. Somewhere else, another place. Is that clear? If you get it clear, you have to say A if it's clear. Let's go on. Next sentence now. Ha no ebe niile. Ha no ebe niile. Ha no ebe niile. That's the next sentence. Let's go do it. Let's go there. Ha no ebe niile. Ha no ebe niile. Yeah, let's go. Shoot it. Ha no ebe niile. If you want to join this live class, probably you have a notification or you're seeing us right now, in the live tab. Please join our channel membership. That's how to participate in our live class. Look at my homepage or see the join button beside my channel name. Hit the black join button, do the needful, and you come to class right now. You'll be given access by YouTube to join our live class. That is the only way to get into our live class. So do that now, and let's learn together. Okay? Ha no ebe niile. Okay, Princess has given an answer. What about Clement? Are you saying the same thing? Ha no ebe niile. Ha no ebe niile. Clement, what do you say? Ha no ebe niile. Ha no ebe niile. What does Clement say about this? I'm waiting for you. Ha no ebe niile. Yes, let's go there. Okay, you agree with Princess. Excellent. Princess got it very correctly. Nothing to add. They are everywhere. That is the perfect answer. Ha no. Ebe niile is everywhere. Ebe niile. That's the perfect answer. Ha no ebe niile. They are everywhere. Kudos, Princess and Clement. So let's go. The next sentence. Achọghị m ịga ebe ọbụla. Achọghị m ịga ebe ọbụla. Let's go. Achọghị m ịga ebe ọbụla. What did I say? Write that in English. Achọghị m ịga ebe ọbụla. Let's go there. I will not say the sentence again. I mean, those who have sharp ears for Igbo language now. Because when people are speaking, they won't wait for you. They won't be repeating it over and over again. You have to listen well. So give it a try now. Okay, Princess has written something. Okay. Okay, what did Clement say? Clement, what do you say about this? I am leaving. Oh, sorry about that. We're going to miss you. We're going to miss you. Okay. All right. Let me write what I've written in Igbo. My I here, both of them should have dot under the I. Even the Iga should have dot under the I, but I can't get it here. Okay. I don't know why the keyboard is not cooperating when I'm on YouTube Live. This is what I said. Princess, will you have a change of mind from what you have written already? From what I've written now, the Igbo version, will you have a change of mind? Can you amend your sentence now? Yes, Princess. Can you attempt a review of your sentence? Try that now. Based on what I've written now, maybe you didn't hear me very clearly. Any update, any review, or I should go ahead and give the answer? Correct. I don't want to go anywhere. Excellent. Excellent. So the verbalized one, the comprehension is not very sharp yet. Okay, it's not very sharp yet, but that is the goal of this live class. It will help you to sharpen your listening skill and be able to catch Igbo sentences, Igbo conversations when they are going on. Because I know most of you can write very well. You can understand written words. We've done much of that in our private classes. But the goal here is to make you see the possibility of grabbing what is said as you are passing, as the conversation is going on, to know how much you can grab that. So that is the essence. But all good. That's what I said. You are correct now. All right. Let's go there. Okay. The next sentence. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. O nweghị ebe m na-aga. What does that mean? Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga or o nweghị ebe m na-aga. Yes. Let's go. Princess Clement has left us. He's having an issue to attend to. It's only me and you now. So this is almost like a private class for you today. That is good. You have to enjoy the whole 1 hour by yourself. So I say congratulations to you. Let's go. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. O nweghị ebe m na-aga. What does that mean? I don't want to go anywhere. Woo! That's good. But actually, it's not exactly what I said. I don't want to go anywhere. It's almost the same thing last. Okay, that is what you have written. But that is the one. Okay, you've not replied to this one. That is your last response. I'm mixing it up. That was your last response. I'm waiting for what I've just said now. You need to respond to that. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. O nweghị ebe m na-aga. Yes. Okay, waiting for you, princess. Ọ dịghị ebe m na-aga. O nweghị ebe m na-aga. It is where I am going. Onwei or odi, whenever we put GHI, is a negative. So let me write in Igbo version. Maybe that will help. This my I should have dot under them. It can also be written as onweghị ebe m na-aga. So this is the Igbo version of it. So what do you say to that? Do you want to retain what you wrote before, or you want to amend it? Obviously, it is not what you wrote before. It is not, it is where I am going. It can never be. It is where I'm going is Obu ebe m na-aga. Or Obu ebe m na-aga. But if you put the question mark where you say it is where I'm going, Obu ebe m na-aga, that would be that sentence. But what I said is different. I said Odi ebe m na-aga. Okay. Any other opinion, or I should supply the answer? Any other opinion? Or I should go ahead and give the answer? Yes. Yes. What do you say to that? Am I? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let me help you out. This simply means going nowhere. DAB is nowhere. Nowhere. Going nowhere. I go nowhere. Going nowhere. Or I go nowhere. DAB naga. I go nowhere. So we have done a bar here, a bar on there, a bozo, another place. Okay, ebe niile everywhere, ebe ọbụla anywhere, ọ dịghị ebe nowhere. Right. So we go, we've exhausted this, we go to another type of word. Where is the literal translation of you use ye? When or the, that's what I'm saying. When you use GHI, it's a negative. So I'm going nowhere. That nowhere is odi ebe. When ebe, nowhere. Of course, ebe is a place. But when you put GHI, it's negative. When odi ebe, nowhere. Okay. Ebe obula is anywhere. Ebe niile, everywhere. Are you getting what I'm saying? Ebe ọbụla anywhere, ebe niile everywhere, ebe ọzọ another place, ebe ahụ there, ebe a here, but ọ dịghị ebe nowhere. GHI. Is that clear? Please confirm if you get me. Confirm if that makes sense to you. Yes, do that please, because it's me and you that is here now. Is that okay? Princess? Okay, that's great. All right, let's go on. We are picking something again. We are using onye now. If we use ebe, we're going to use onye. Okay. Let's go. First sentence. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. What does that mean? Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. What did I say? Let's go. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Okay, who is a good person? Okay, but it's not really a question, it's a statement. Let me write what I've just said. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. This is what I said. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Of course, ezigbo mmadụ is a good person. You got that part. But what about onye a bụ? Yes. Try it again. Review your answer. If you don't have any other alternative, you let me know. Let me go ahead and give the answer. But what you have written, who is a good person? What you have written means onye bụ ezigbo mmadụ. That is what you have written. That's a question. Onye bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Who is a good person? That is what you wrote, the first answer you gave. But my statement is not a question, it's a statement. Onye bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Onye a bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Yes. Okay, this one is a good person. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. This person is a good person, or this one is a good person, or this individual is a good person. That's correct. Onya is this person, or this one. Okay, so you are right now, correct. Okay, let's go. Biko kpọrọ m onye ahụ. Biko kpọrọ m onye ahụ. Biko kpọrọ m onye ahụ. That's the sentence. Let's go. I've said it all. I'm not repeating it again. So let's go. Try it. Yes. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? I'm waiting for you. Did you still remember what I said? Or I should repeat it again? Should I repeat what I said? Or you still remember? Yes. Okay. Please call that person. Whoa, excellent. You got it. Biko. Bottom. But there's a little thing that missed there. Please call that person for me. Bottom. That's the only thing you missed. Bottom. Onya. Okay. If it is, please call that person. It will simply Biko Onya. Biko Onya. That is the one you just wrote. That I want to differentiate the two. Biko Onya. That is the one you wrote. Please call that person. Biko Onya. But once you put R-O or R-E, and added M to it, Borum, personalizing it, Borum, not just Onya, but Borum, Onya. We put R and the vowel repeated behind the R. It is do it for me. Do something for me. Okay? So, Borum, Onya is please call that person for me. Do you get what I'm saying? You get me? Call that person for me. Is that clear? Difference between bo and borom. Yeah, great. Bo is call. Borom is call for me. Okay, that's great. Oh, the ma. Next sentence. Ọ chọrọ inye onye ọzọ ihe ahụ. Ọ chọrọ inye onye ọzọ ihe ahụ. For the last time. Ọ chọrọ inye onye ọzọ ihe ahụ. I'm not saying it again. No. Let's go. Comprehension test. I wait for you. Let's go. Okay. He wants to see. That's where your power finish, Abi. That is where your power finish. But let me write the Igbo version. Maybe that will help. Can you try it again now? Ọ chọrọ inye onye ọzọ ihe ahụ. Try. Maybe this will help. Yes. Any other opinion based on what I've written? Any other opinion based on what I've written? Or I should go ahead and supply the answer? Yes, any other opinion? Waiting for you. You want to give another one that thing. Onye is actually a person, not another one. Okay? So if it had written, he wants to give another person. Remember, we're talking about onye here, person. This person, that person, okay? And now put onye ozo, so you should know that it's going to be another person, not another one. Okay? That is about the only thing you miss here. Okay? He wants to give another person that thing, but you tried. This is 90%. Okay? You tried very well. He wants to give another. Onye ọzọ is another person. That thing. You really tried. Kudos to you. Jisike. Okay. Next. Achọghị m ka onye ọbụla bịa ebe a. Achọghị m ka onye ọbụla bịa ebe a. Last time, achọghị m ka onye ọbụla bịa ebe a. Let's go. Today is a real day for you. You are having a nice time anyway. You are the only one enjoying the class today. This is more or less like a private class for you today. Good for you. I didn't hear the sentence. Okay, didn't hear it. I said, achọghị m ka onye ọbụla bịa ebe a. Achọghị m ka onye ọbụla bịa ebe a. Is it clear now? Did you hear it now? Did you hear the sentence now? Confirm if you have heard the sentence, please. Okay. I don't want anyone here. Good effort. Good effort. You tried. Achọghị m. My I should be with dot under. Achọghị m ka onye ọbụla. Here should have I on dot under the I. So you almost got it perfectly well. But it actually means, do you want to review your sentence? Do you want to review? Or I should supply the answer? Which one do you want? But you almost got it. But you miss the aspect of bia. You want to give it a second trial, or I should supply the answer? I don't want anyone to come here. Whoa, that's it. That's it. Excellent. I don't want anyone to come here. Excellent. Bravo. Idike. You're a powerful woman today. Okay. Next one. Achọrọ m ka mmadụ niile gbakọọ. Achọrọ m ka mmadụ niile gbakọọ. Achọrọ m ka mmadụ niile gbakọọ. Let's go. Achọrọ m ka mmadụ niile gbakọọ. Yes. I want every person. I don't know the last word. That's good. You have tried now. You have tried. I know it will be difficult for you to know that last word. I put it there for you to know it. This is what I said. And it means everyone or everybody, whichever one. I want everyone or everybody to gather together, gather together or gather. So bako is gather together or congregate, assemble, come together. Okay, that is bako. Inwetere ya? Confirm if that is clear, princess. Is that okay? Great. We go to the last one now. Ọ dịghị onye bịara ọgbakọ ụnyaahụ. Ọ dịghị onye bịara ọgbakọ ụnyaahụ. O nweghị onye bịara ọgbakọ ụnyaahụ. That same word I'm using again, but in another way now. Ọ dịghị onye bịara ọgbakọ ụnyaahụ. Let's go. Ọ dịghị onye bịara ọgbakọ ụnyaahụ. Yes. Did you hear what I said? Okay, you tried, but let me write the Igbo version. Maybe that will help. My I should have dot under. Even my Biara should have dot under the I. Do you want to review your sentence based on what I've written? Do you want to review your sentence based on what I've written? Or I should write the answer? You can borrow a leaf from when we did ebe, when I said odi ebe. Now we're having odi onye. I don't want the one that came gather yesterday. Okay, he tried. But Odiyonye, when I said Odiyebe in the first examples we use Ebe to do, I said it is nowhere. Odiyebe, if you remember. The same way, Odiyonye is nobody. When we have GHI, it is nil, negative. So Odiyonye is nobody. Nobody. Biara is already a past tense. So nobody came to Obako. When we said Bako is the verb part of it, gather together. But Obako is a noun form of it, which is meeting or gathering. So nobody came to the meeting, just like you have a meeting of town people or whatever, workplace, but any meeting, any form of gathering, that is Obako. Nobody came to the meeting yesterday. So Obako is a noun form, that is a meeting. Okay. Why Bako is the instruction to gather for a meeting. Okay. Odiyonye or Onweyonye is nobody. Onweyebe, Odiyebe is nowhere. So Odiyonye biara, no one came. Nobody came to the meeting yesterday. Please confirm if you are clear with what I've explained. Give this live class a thumbs up. You are the only one here with me today. You enjoyed the whole hour alone, except Clement that joined for a while and took permission off. Confirm if you got what I explained, please. And give this live class a thumbs up. And then show us appreciation. I observe you are no more replying to any of my message on WhatsApp. I don't know why. It's like this your work without letting you see anything again. I don't know. I hope I have not offended you, Sha. All right. Did you understand what I said last? My explanation, is it clear? Confirm you got my last explanation, because that is the last for today. Is it clear enough? Okay. Yeah, I understand. Your work is demanding. That's fine. It's comforting to hear that. All right. Thank you for being here today and for taking all your time to stay with me for the whole hour. You made the day for me. And by being here, you also helped other people, because it means we had a full class. And then that will also be uploaded into our homepage for other members to rewatch, because some of them used to rewatch after because of their busy schedule. But if no one comes to class, there'll be nothing to record, no teaching to record for them to rewatch. And so I appreciate you being here to fill the gap and to stand in for other people so that they can benefit after when they have the time. See you next week. Have a nice time until we're able to communicate again. Take care of yourself and your work, and take it easy. God will see us through. Kemesia. Bye.